explosion.
3.3 it says. Silverdale.
In Lancashire? That's mad.
Oi, can you feel that? Yeah, everything just shook. Fire alarm's going off down the street.
Did you feel that?
Yeah, everything just shook.
It's an earthquake!
You alright out there?
Yeah!
Stop it now.